Molecular basis of inheritance. Nucleic acids are long polymers of nucleotides. While DNA stores genetic information, RNA mostly helps in transfer and expression of information. Though DNA and RNA both function as genetic material, but DNA, being chemically and structurally more stable, is better genetic material. However, RNA is first to evolve and DNA was derived from RNA. The hallmark of double-stranded helical structure of DNA is the hydrogen bonding between the bases from opposite strands. The rule is that adenine pairs with thymine through 2H bonds and guanine with cytosine through 3H bonds. This makes one strand complementary to the other. The DNA replicates semi-conservatively. The process is guided by the complementary hydrogen bonding. A segment of the DNA that codes for RNA may, in a simplest term, can be referred to as gene. During transcription, also, one of the strands of DNA acts as a template to direct the synthesis of complementary RNA. In bacteria, the transcribed mRNA is functional, hence can directly be translated. In eukaryotes, the gene is split. The coding sequences, exons, are interrupted by non-coding sequences, introns. Introns are removed and exons are joined to produce functional RNA by splicing. The messenger RNA, mRNA, contains the base sequences that are read in a combination of 3 to make a triplet gene codon. To code for an amino acid, the genetic code is read again on the principle of complementary by tRNA that act as an adapter molecule. There are specific tRNAs for every amino acid. The tRNA binds to a specific amino acid at one end and pairs through hydrogen bonding with codes on mRNA through its anticodons. The site of translation protein synthesis is ribosomes, which bind to mRNA and provide platform for joining of amino acids. One of the rRNA acts as a catalyst for peptide bond formation, which is an example of RNA enzyme called as ribozyme. Translation is a process that has evolved around RNA, indicating that life began around RNA. Since transcription and translation are energetically very expensive processes, these have to be tightly regulated. Regulation of transcription is the primary step for regulation of gene expression. In bacteria, more than one gene is arranged together and regulated in units called operon. Lac operon is the prototype operon in bacteria, which codes for genes responsible for metabolism of lactose. The operon is regulated by the amount of lactose in the medium where the bacteria are grown. Therefore, this regulation can be viewed as regulation of enzyme synthesis by its substrate. HGP, Human Genome Project, was a mega project that aimed to sequence every base in human genome. This project had yielded much new information. Many new areas and avenues have opened up as a consequence of the project. DNA fingerprinting is a technique to find out various genes, and it also projects the areas in variations in individuals of a population at DNA level. It works on the principle of polymorphism in DNA sequences. It has immense applications in the field of forensic science, genetic biodiversity, and evolutionary biology. Thank you.